Hey everyone, in custom picture profiles you can switch between simplified version or detailed version on Canon camcorders with 4K recording ability. Camcorders in their original condition, they come with a simplified version. As you can see in here, they're called looks, and you can go inside the function menu, select looks. First one is off of the standard color space, second is neutral color space, third one is white DR color space, and fourth one is in monochrome. Each of these have their own settings, and in a simplified version, for example, monochrome has only sharpness and contrast. We go back to the other looks, standard has own sharpness, contrast, and color depth or saturation. Each of them can be adjusted with a few settings. To turn on the custom pictures, you go to camera menu. Under the fifth sub menu, there is a CP function there. When you click on CP function, you turn it on. Once you turn that on, it automatically changes the looks into CP function. So when you go into the functions menu, it looks no longer in there, there's CP. And this is C-Log 3, which becomes available after switching to custom pictures. This is normal color space, and this is white DR color space, which is only available in 1-inch sensor. In C-Log 3 color space, again only on 1-inch sensor camcorders. We also have EOS steady or EOS standard cameras, user custom profile and user 6 custom profile. These are the ones that are unprotected, meaning that you can modify their attributes in detail. Has a lot of more attributes comparing to simple version. As you can see, it needs a little bit more information on what to modify, some research, and being able to change things to achieve certain looks. All other custom pictures also are editable. You just need to turn the protected menu off, then you can edit them. And this is color matrix for each of these custom profiles. More important thing is a color space or gamma. In 1-inch sensor, there are 5 different color spaces available. In 1/2-inch sensor camcorders, white DR and C-Log 3 are not available as part of color spaces that you can choose. So we can select each of these color spaces and start modifying custom profile off of those color spaces and set other attributes in other part of the screen. There are some brief information about each of these attributes on the camera's user manuals. For example, here briefly as described the curves on different color spaces, and camera user manuals are available online. Even if you haven't purchased the camera, you can just go to Canon's website or do a Google search or on your camera model manual, even if you haven't purchased that camera, so you can check out the camera manual and see what functions it has. If you're interested in more information about all differences between Canon camcorders, I have a couple of other videos, and I'm going to put a link at the end of this video so you can check them out. Thank you very much. Bye.